This video I will explain what to do if you lose money due to fraud in Google Pay. What does losing money due to fraud mean? This means someone tricked you or took money from your account without your permission using Google Pay or UPI. For example, you approved a fake payment request. You were tricked into sharing your UPI PIN. You clicked a scam link. You sent money to a fake seller. If this happens, you must act quickly. Speed increases the chances of getting your money back. Now we will see what to do immediately if fraud happens. Step 1 is report the fraud in Google Pay. Open the Google Pay app and go to transaction history. Select the wrong or suspicious payment. Tab report a problem. Then choose I was scammed or unauthorized transaction. This creates an official complaint and alerts Google Pay. Step 2 is you have to inform your bank immediately. Call your bank's customer care and say clearly, I want to report a fraudulent UPI transaction. Give them the transaction ID, the amount lost, and the time of the transaction. Your bank can freeze the scammer's account, start the reversal process, and add extra security to your account. Your bank is the one that ultimately handles refund decisions for UPI fraud. Step 3 is raise a complaint through the bank's grievance system. Every bank has a grievance redressal system. If needed, visit the bank website, fill the complaint form, attach the screenshots and details. This creates formal record which is very important. Step 4 is register a complaint with NPCI. If your bank does not resolve the issue, go to the NPCI complaint system because NPCI handles all UPI related disputes. Choose UPI dispute or fraud complaint and fill your name, bank name, transaction details, and description of the fraud. NPCI will review the case again. Step 5 is file a report at cybercrime portal. Go to the National Cybercrime Portal of India, which is cybercrime.gov.in. You have to choose report cipher financial fraud. You have to provide phone number, transaction ID, amount lost, and how the fraud happened. This step is important because police can take action faster if the scammer's account needs to be frozen. Step 6 is save all proof. You have to keep screenshots, messages, transaction ID, phone numbers used by the scammer. This will help during investigation and refund processing. What happens after you report? Google Pay, your bank, and NPCA will check whether it was really fraud, whether the scammer's account can be blocked, whether money is still recoverable, whether a refund can be given. Sometimes money can be recovered, sometimes it cannot, especially if the scammer withdraw the money quickly. But reporting early increases the chances. What you should avoid after losing money. Never share your UPI PIN with anyone. Never install apps suggested by strangers. Never believe calls claiming to offer refunds. Never click unknown links sent after the fraud. Scammers sometimes try repeatedly. Now we will see key things to remember. Faster reporting means better chances of getting your money back. Google Pay cannot reverse payments on its own. Your bank handles refunds. Always involve the bank and cybercrime police for serious fraud. The summary is if you lose money due to fraud in Google Pay, immediately report it in the app. Inform your bank. File a complaint with NPCI. Report at the cybercrime portal and keep all proof for investigation.